There's a few different panels that you can choose from, and which panel you choose is going to depend on a few variables. One is, have you ever been tested before? If you've never had a blood test with ABT, I would recommend starting with the gold panel, which is very comprehensive, or the platinum panel, which includes all of the biomarkers of the gold panel in addition to genetic testing. That's interesting because we can look at what your genetic predisposition is and what your biomarkers are actually saying. And that way we can compare what you should be predisposed to and what's actually occurring to see if there are environmental influences affecting things like your nutrient metabolism, absorption, and things like that. This can also help us give better, more refined recommendations for long-term health and nutrition recommendations. The gold panel, like I said, it's very comprehensive. It's meant to be kind of a baseline. We recommend getting this done annually, just as you would see your doctor for a physical every year. You want to get a baseline done. So get the gold panel before your big training sessions start or your big season starts, or very early on in the season. So this way we can kind of see what your quote-unquote normal is, and then when we retest you throughout the season using the bronze panels, we can look at how that training is affecting your blood levels compared to your normal. So as I mentioned, there are bronze panels, and those are meant kind of as a check-in. So get those done every 6 weeks before your competition. So if you're going to have a big race 6 weeks before, get the bronze panel, because that is going to allow us to look at those performance indicators and make recommendations to optimize your performance. So if some things are low or high, we have time to make adjustments to get you in that sweet spot for your biomarker levels. So get the bronze panel, again, either at the end of a big training block to see how that heavy training has influenced your biomarkers, or right before a competition 6 weeks out, in order to kind of optimize those nutrient levels and get you into that sweet spot. Anything else you want to